Hello, this is Dr. Stanley Lang, and welcome to this video. The topic is natural anxiety treatment. And the reason I wanted to share this is the encounter that I had today with a patient that I started treatment 2 years ago using completely natural strategies that she preferred because she didn't want to have to take medication that would be controlled medicine, didn't want to have the follow-up that would be required in the doctor's office, and didn't want to have to be tethered to the medical system. So what were the things that she was doing that were successful for her? Well, first of all, she started doing a spiritual discipline that's called the Jesus Prayer. Now, the Jesus Prayer is something that I teach to a lot of patients who are dealing with anxiety because it helps to very much calm down the mind, but it also helps to focus the mind away from the thing that's causing stress. And the spiritual encounter also is healing to the mind in ways that I'm not going to go into detail right here. The second thing she did was that she went on a gluten-free, low glycemic diet. Now, these two strategies, combining gluten-free and low glycemic, markedly decrease the inflammation that's going on in the body, but also in the brain. When the brain is inflamed, it causes the brain to have a variety of different dysfunctions, which are often experienced as changes in anxiety, changes in stress, and depression. And so she's had a dramatic improvement doing these simple things combined with very modest exercise, no more than a vigorous walk. And 2 years later, she's still doing very well, whereas a long time ago, she had required medication for control of the same symptoms. So can this be done by anybody? Yes, it can. And I want to encourage you to consider this strategy if you're dealing with anxiety, because it's far more effective for controlling the symptoms than medication if it's done correctly. Obviously, there are more things that can be done from a natural perspective, including a variety of different herbs, but these simple things work a lot of the time. And so I encourage you to consider them if you're dealing with anxiety or stress, as a lot of people would use the word, I'm under a lot of stress. That might be a symptom that you're experiencing, or that's the way you would describe it. So I encourage you to take advantage of these simple opportunities for your long-term health. God bless and have a great day.